Let's get right to it. We're diving into a topic that affects almost everyone, whether you realize it or not. It's something that silently impacts your financial well-being every single day. Your credit score is costing you real money. It's not just a number. It's a gateway to financial opportunities, or a barrier that holds you back from achieving your dreams. Think of it as a financial report card that lenders use to determine how risky you are as a borrower. The lower your score, the more you'll pay for everything. Imagine two people buying the same $400,000 house. This is a classic example of how credit scores impact major life decisions. Buying a home is often the biggest investment someone makes, and your credit score plays a huge role in determining the terms of your mortgage. One has a 780 credit score, a score that opens doors to the best interest rates and loan terms. They're seen as a reliable borrower, and lenders are eager to offer them favorable conditions. The other, a 580. This individual is considered a high-risk borrower. Their options are limited, and they'll face significantly higher interest rates. The difference? It's staggering. The person with bad credit pays over $175,000 more. That's not a typo. It's the real cost of having a low credit score over the life of a typical mortgage, in interest over 30 years. Think about that for a moment. That's nearly double the original amount of the loan, all because of a number on a credit report. That's a Ferrari sitting in your driveway that you could have owned outright. A down payment on another house, a rental property that could generate passive income, or a very comfortable retirement, gone. All that potential security and enjoyment vanished because of higher interest payments. And it's not just mortgages. The impact of your credit score extends far beyond homeownership. A low score means higher car payments, forcing you to pay more each month for the same vehicle. More expensive insurance because insurers see a low credit score as an indicator of higher risk, and even bigger security deposits for rentals. Landlords often require larger deposits from individuals with lower scores to protect themselves against potential damages or missed rent payments. It's a hidden tax on your life, a constant drain on your resources that you might not even be fully aware of. Draining your bank account month after month, making it harder to save, invest, and achieve your financial goals. But here's the good news, this isn't a life sentence. Your credit score isn't permanent. It's a dynamic number that reflects your financial behavior, and it can be improved over time. You can change it faster than you think. With the right strategies and consistent effort, you can see significant improvements in your credit score in a relatively short period. No need to pay shady companies promising quick fixes and miracle solutions. All you need is the right information and a plan, a clear understanding of how credit scores work, and a step-by-step approach to improving your credit worthiness. We'll break down exactly what to do, providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to take control of your credit. Step by step, guiding you through the process of building a better credit future. By the end, you'll know how to stop paying this hidden tax, freeing up your money for the things that truly matter, and make your money work for you, building wealth and securing your financial future. Ready to take control? Are you ready to unlock your financial potential and start building a brighter future? Let's begin. Let's embark on this journey together and transform your credit score from a liability into an asset. So, what's behind that all-important number that lenders and other institutions use to judge your credit worthiness? What goes into determining whether you're approved for a loan, a credit card, or even a rental apartment? It's essentially your financial report card, a comprehensive summary of your credit history and how you manage your financial obligations. Think of it as a snapshot of your fiscal responsibility. Credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, are the agencies that compile this information. They gather data from various sources and calculate your score using 5 key factors, each carrying a different weight in the overall calculation. Understanding these factors is crucial to improving your credit health. Payment history is the biggest. It's the single most influential factor in determining your credit score. Therefore, pay on time every time. Set reminders, automate payments, do whatever it takes to avoid late payments, as even a single missed payment can negatively impact your score. Next is credit utilization, the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit. To maintain a healthy score, keep balances under 30% of your limits, but under 10% is even better. Aiming for this lower utilization rate demonstrates responsible credit management and can significantly boost your score. Length of credit history matters, as a longer history provides more data for lenders to assess your creditworthiness. So don't close your oldest cards, even if you're not actively using them. Keeping these accounts open helps maintain a longer credit history, which can positively influence your score. Credit mix helps too. A blend of cards and loans, such as credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages, shows you can handle different types of credit responsibly. Finally, new credit. Opening too many accounts at once can hurt your score, as it may indicate financial instability or a higher risk of default. Focus on these 5: payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit. And you'll master the credit game, unlocking better interest rates, loan terms, and overall financial opportunities. We'll show you how to use each one to your advantage, providing practical tips and strategies to optimize your credit score and achieve your financial goals. Building credit from scratch can feel like an uphill battle. You might be wondering where to even begin, especially if you have no credit history to speak of. The first step is often the most crucial. Start with a secured credit card. These cards are designed for people with limited or no credit history. Use it for small, everyday purchases like your morning coffee or a quick trip to the grocery store. Think of it as a tool to prove your creditworthiness. The golden rule is to pay in full, and always on time, every single month. This demonstrates responsible credit management and builds a positive payment history. After consistently using your secured card responsibly for about 6 to 12 months, you'll likely qualify for a regular unsecured credit card. This is a significant step forward. Another effective strategy is to become an authorized user. Ask a trusted friend or family member to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. Their good payment history can positively impact and boost your score, even without you making purchases. Don't underestimate the power of credit-building tools. Use services like Experian Boost. These platforms allow you to add your consistent utility and phone payments. This information is then added to your credit file, potentially increasing your score. If you combine all of these steps and remain diligent, you can realistically hit a 700+ credit score in under a year. The key to maintaining a good credit score is to treat credit like cash. That means never spend more than you can comfortably pay off each month. Build good financial habits now, such as budgeting and tracking your expenses. If you do, your credit score will soar, opening doors to better financial opportunities in the future. Got a low score from past mistakes? Time for a comeback. First, get your free credit reports from all 3 bureaus at annualcreditreport.com. Check for errors, wrong accounts, late payments, or old negatives. Dispute anything that's not accurate. Next, pay down high-interest credit card debt. Focus on either the highest rate, Avalanche, or smallest balance, Snowball. For collections, negotiate a pay-for-delete if possible. Get it in writing before paying. Repairing credit takes time, but these steps put you on the fast track. Stay consistent and your score will recover. Let's bust some credit myths. Myth 1. You need to carry a balance to build credit. False. Pay in full, avoid interest, and your score will thank you. Myth 2. Closing old cards helps your score. Wrong. Keep them open to maintain your credit history and utilization. Myth 3. Checking your own score hurts it. Not true. Soft inquiries have zero impact. Myth 4. Paying off collections erases them. Usually the record stays for up to 7 years unless you negotiate a pay for delete. Don't let bad advice hold you back. Know the facts, and you'll avoid costly mistakes. Ready for elite status? Here's how to break 800. Use the ASIO method. All credit cards at 0 except 1, which reports a tiny balance. This can boost your score right before a big loan. Ask for credit limit increases every 6-12 months. Higher limits mean lower utilization. Open new cards slowly to increase your total available credit and improve your credit mix. Never spend more than you can pay off. These advanced moves combined with the basics can push you into the top tier. Use them wisely, and you'll save thousands in interest. You don't need to spend a dime to master your credit. Start with annualcreditreport.com for free weekly reports. Use Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, or your card's free FICO tracking to monitor your score. Set up a simple budget with free apps like Mint or Personal Capital. Dispute errors using free templates from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Most important, take action. Pull your reports, set up one automatic payment, call a creditor for a lower rate. Small steps add up to big results. You have the tools and the knowledge. Now start building your financial future. Take the first step today.